feeling stiff or stressed, short on time, try this 5-minute yoga flow, which will help you release tension and boost your flexibility. Let's get started on the mat in a tucked, wide-legged child's pose. Well, tuck your toes, knees as wide as you want them to be, and then walk your hands forward until you meet the mat. Settle down here, deepen your breaths. Feel this nice stretch in the soles of your feet. Feel your hips sinking a little more deeper onto your heels. Let go of everything. Just keep your mind in the boundaries of the mat. Nice opening in your hips and groins too. Ease out of the pose. Come all the way into tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips for cat and cow. 4 rounds of cat and cow. Drop your belly, shine to your chest. Inhale. Exhale, push everything away from you. Pull your navel in, chin to chest. Repeat this for 3 more times on your own pace, adding breath to your movement. Just waking up our spine, releasing the tension from our spine. One last time. Now, thread the needle. Reach your right arm all the way up and above. Exhale, right arm to the left arm. Right ear to the mat. Option to stay here. Or maybe extend the left arm forward to feel the stretch in the left side of your body. Stay here for a few more breaths. Nice twist in your spine to release the stiffness or tension from the thoracic spine. Ease out of the pose. Reach your right arm all the way once again to the sky. Exhale, release. Lift the left arm up. Open your heart. You may hear pops and crackles in your low back. It's absolutely normal. Exhale, left hand to the right hand. Left ear to the mat. Maybe leaning onto your left knee. Option to extend your right hand. Work with the breath. Release. Ease out of the pose. One last time, reach your left arm all the way up to the sky. Release as you exhale. Now from here, coming into Sphinx pose, come all the way onto your forearms, extend the legs and on your belly. Pull the kneecaps up. Push the hip bones down and then find the lift in your chest as you press down onto your forearms. Tuck your chin slightly. Option to spread your feet if you feel low back pain or stiffness. Otherwise, feet parallel to each other. Breathe in. Option to press onto your hands, extend your arms for seal pose. It's totally option, not mandate. Feel the stretch in the abdomen, a little more in this position. Release and tuck your toes, slide your hands back for downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Send your hips all the way to the sky, pushing through your hands, bend your knees. Pedal up your feet here. Feel the stretch at the back of your legs with each breath. Maybe nodding your head for S or no, decompressing our neck here. Release, knees down onto the mat. Come all the way into a seated position. Extend your left leg to the side for Janu Sirsasana. Bend your right leg, right sole of the foot near to your left inner thigh. Wow. Reach your right arm up as you inhale. Left hand inside of your left leg or on your left leg. Lean to the left as you breathe out. Pressing the right hip down onto the mat and keep flexing the left foot. Protect your knee joint. Release. Ease out of the pose, legs with the sides. Bend the left leg, extend the right leg. Right foot is flexed. Left foot is almost near to the right inner thigh groin. Reach your left arm up. Lean to the right. Option to bend your elbow or slight bend in your elbow if you feel tightness in your shoulder, but make sure you're opening your chest to the sky. Keep pressing the left hip down onto the mat. Release. Well done. If this video helped, please subscribe to my channel to support free yoga on YouTube. Also hit the like and tap the bell icon so that you never miss out any future notifications. See you on the mat in the next class. Namaste.